Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Daily English Listening Stories channel. This is the place where we make English simple, practical, and fun for your daily life. I am your host, Leo.
And hello, everyone. I am Anna. I am so happy to be here with you today.
Anna, you look very busy today. Are you okay?
Oh, Leo, I am so tired. Today has been crazy. I had to take the bus, take a call, and take care of my dog, all before 9 a.m.
Wow, that is a lot of taking.
It is, and that gave me an idea. The word take is everywhere in English.
You are right. It is one of the most useful words. So today, we are going to master it.
Before we start, we have a small favor to ask our amazing listeners. If you want to improve your English every week, please click the subscribe button. It helps us so much.
And give us a like if you're ready to take your English to the next level. Let's go. So, Anna, why is the word take so confusing?
Because it has so many meanings. I can take a book, but I can also take a shower. Do I put the shower in my pocket?
No, you don't. That would be messy.
Exactly. So today, we will learn the different ways to use take. We will talk about transportation, time, photos, and daily routines.
We will break it down into simple segments. By the end of this podcast, you will use take like a native speaker.
I am ready to take notes.
Let's start with moving around. Anna, how did you get here today?
I took a taxi.
Perfect. We use take for transportation when we are passengers. Take a bus, take a train, take a taxi, take a plane.
But Leo, if I drive my own car, do I say I take my car?
You can say, I take my car, but usually we say, I drive. But if you use public transport, always use take.
Got it. So yesterday, I took the subway to the city.
Excellent example. Now, let's talk about time. Anna, how long does it take you to get ready in the morning?
Oh, I am slow. It takes me 1 hour.
Here, take means to use time. It takes 20 minutes. It takes a long time.
Can I say, the bus took forever?
Yes, that means the bus was very, very slow.
Okay, cooking pasta takes 10 minutes. Learning English takes practice.
Perfect. You're getting it. Now, let's look at some fixed phrases. Anna, look at my new camera.
Nice. Can I take a photo of you?
Yes, we always say take a photo or take a picture. We never say make a photo.
Okay, take a photo. What about the bathroom?
We say take a shower or take a bath.
Ah, like my morning routine. I take a shower, then I take my vitamins.
Exactly. For medicine, we also use take. Take 2 pills.
What if I am tired at work?
Then you need to take a break.
Take a break. That means stop working for a short time.
Yes, stop, drink coffee, relax, take a break. Okay, Anna, let's practice with a short story. Imagine you're planning a trip with a friend.
Okay, I'm calling my friend Jack.
Go.
Hi, Jack. Let's go to the beach. We can take the bus. It only takes 30 minutes. We can take photos of the ocean. And don't forget to take a jacket.
That was perfect. You used take 4 times correctly.
It's easy when you practice.
One more special phrase. When you say goodbye to a friend, what do you say?
Take care.
Yes, take care. It means look after yourself. It's a very friendly way to say goodbye. Wow, we learned so many phrases today. Let's recap quickly for our listeners. Number 1, take a transport. Take a bus, take a train. Number 2, it takes time. It takes 10 minutes. Number 3, take a photo, use a camera. Number 4, take a shower or break, daily routines. Number 5, take care, a friendly goodbye.
Take is like a magic word. It works for everything.
Now, friends, we want to hear from you. We have a question of the day.
Yes, we want to know, what is something that takes you a long time to do? Does cooking dinner take a long time? Does getting to work take a long time?
For me, choosing a movie on Netflix takes a long time. I scroll for hours.
Me too. Please write your answer in the comments below. Use the sentence, "It takes me."
We read every comment. It is great practice for you. Thank you so much for watching today. You're making great progress.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Daily English Listening Stories.
Take care of yourself and see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.